Hi everyone, Peter from Jewel Emporium here. So in this video we're going to be making this little hedgehog pom-pom. So you're going to need your little hedgehog shaped card piece, wool, glue, your pom-pom maker, a little bit of string, scissors and some felted pens. So you're going to start off by cutting out your hedgehog. But just make sure you cut out these little lines here as well. Next we're going to take a pen and you're going to roll. Just see these lines here? We're just going to, you have to get a grown up to do this, but we're just going to put a little score line on there. Fold them in. Same on this side. So this bigger side, you can get a little pen and you're going to wrap it around. Just to keep wrapping it around to make it a bit more curvy. And when you're done, wrap it up. I'm going to glue that down there. See, like that. So a little bit of glue. And then we can just colour it in as well. So you can colour in the whole thing. I'm just going to draw a little face on it. First little nose. Next, we're going to do the pom-pom. So you need your little pom-pom maker and your wool. And the end. So we're just going to wrap it around the middle section of the maker. And you're going to keep wrapping it around loads and loads. Once you've got it all wrapped round, you're going to get your string, and then this gap here, you're going to put the string through. So it comes round through the back, round to the front, like so, and then we're going to tie a knot in it, as tight as you can. Don't do is don't cut them off, because we're going to use them to attach it to the other piece. So next you can carefully get some scissors, cut the end off, and then you see here you're just going to cut along this line here. So just stick your scissors in and you can just start cutting away. Take your time and just make sure you got them all, and just do the other side as well. And once you've done them all, it just slides off. So there's your pom-pom already. So next, you're just going to get each piece of string, one on one side, one on the other side, and then you can just tie it underneath. And there you go, all done.